Aquos S2 has a 12-megapixel camera at the back with f1.8 aperture and dual-pixel phase detection autofocus. It is accompanied by a second 8-megapixel camera that acts as a depth sensor and a two-tone LED flash. The camera app was thankfully not completely bare bones like some of the other software on the phone. Sharp's fascination with iOS continues here, with the camera having all its modes listed down at the bottom and you can just swipe between them. One of them is the Pro mode, which lets you adjust the shutter speed, ISO, white balance and focusing. At the top are some controls in the area next to the front camera. Here you can switch on the flash, select the aspect ratio of the image, enable the background blur mode and choose some additional options, including the circular crop mode, a cutout option for replacing the background of your images captured with the background blur effect, a watermark option, color filters, timer, HDR and the settings. We found the camera app to be generally well designed, with everything being laid out properly and usually easy to use. It's just that because the display isn't so large, some of the text and other items could look a bit small, especially while out in daylight. We weren't quite sure what to expect from the camera in terms of image quality, but to our surprise it took some really good looking pictures. Images looked clean with great detail, natural colors and accurate white balance. The only noticeable drawback was the dynamic range. While the HDR mode did remedy this in some cases, it was far too aggressive in bringing up the exposure and saturation levels of the image, making it look like some strange filter was applied.